Thank you. Basta po, yung crossing ha, may full page siya. I-shotay ko kanyan, mag-full page siya naman. Starting by for the Tamarao. Ako, Cao Guerrero, number 9. Shotay ko and finally Fernandez for the crossing. Banyaga, Timbol, Aro, Lumandan and finally Cheche, Timbol. Hello, Mike. Chris. Hello, Chris. Okay, here goes the jump. One by the crossing. Back to Aro on the right corner. Aro rushing in. Here it comes. The pick of that pass. Good run. Guerrero quickly in the line. Takmo. First pass it to Fernandez. Fernandez. Looking for the shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Takmo. Short jumper. Goal is still in there. And he comes. The crossing. 30 seconds. You're in timeout. It's deadlock. First deadlock tayo mga kaibigan. At ang piece of the night ngayon ay bibigyan ng isang sako mapulit. Maganda-handa na kayo. Makakatingin kayo ng mapulit. Lumanlan. Aroho, lumanlan. Timbol, number 28. Let's go to the back here. For the Tamaros. Here comes Mr. Lustig Man. Every shot. Voila. Checking ball to relative ball. The Manlan. Number 28 ball. Second shot is still out for number 28. Toby shots there for number 28. This is our main game for tonight. Fernandez! For two now for the Tamaraos. With 5 minutes and 45 seconds, first period action. The ball inside the Banyaga. Open shot, Aroho, nice fake from the elbow, rebound, short. Whipped up there to number 20, Banyaga. Losing it again to Takmo. Here goes Pacheco. $6 is the count for the Tamaraos. Lumanlan, number 14. Aro on the outside. Then ball. Lumanlan. Setting up. Cheche. High. Short. He pass to Pacheco. Pacheco. Who changes direction. Double team on him. And there's a foul. It's being called by the referee. Foul on number 7. The ball. First foul. And the first big foul. Guerrero. Outside to Fernandez. Back to Guerrero. He fires a 3. Rebound. There. Oh, good passing out there. And the Mandan losing it on the sideline. Good hustle there by Pacheco. minutes and 35 6 is the count. Cuateco releasing 2-3 out of range. Scramble won by the crossing. In pass. Check. Double dribble. Timbal. That's a mental loss there for Cheche. Bernardes for the Tamaraw. They give it to now back to Bernardes. To 1-2 defense for the crossing visual. Guerrero left by Duffy. The players icing the air around the stands. Brought to you by PLDT. 9-2 now is the count. Lumanda. Open shot. They'll find the mark. Here comes the Tamaraw. Bernardes, Guerrero, 3 seconds violation, good goal there on Palamini. Too much passing for the Tamaraw on the last play. With 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Ay, ito pala yung Jong Jong, ha? Happy viewing, Jong Jong.
Sino lamang? Isgandian ba? Tama na, ilan?
Big ball inside the Banyaga. Lumanlag fades. Four shot. Ivan Babel, one by Takmo, and there's a pushing foul there. Who's foul? Number 5, foul, Banyaga. Banyaga takes foul number 1, and the second big foul for the crossing. Pacheco. Release it for 2. Naman pa rin ang Tamaraw, Bernardes. Bounce pass ang Takmo. Guerrero. Foul. Talagang mabilis ang Tamaraw. Nakuha naman nila bola. Cuateco. First period action. 11-2 ang ating pong score. Okay, we have only 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in this first period action, brought to you by Enerphone C, the winner with Gatorade, Red Horse, the extra stronger. Nice for Lumanda. Oh, still missing. And now for the other sector, until the Mamasam. Here comes Cuateco. That pass inside, Bernardes. By Toledo, ayan na po ang James Schaap na crossing.
Wala yung...
What's up for this guy?
Ano yung pahan nyo ha? Tumatalon eh.
Last 2 minutes! Last 2 minutes!
Ikaw na lang kayo.
In the meantime, there's a block there. Big ball number 20. And we have a same ball. Cruz coming in for... Sino? Bernardes, 12 seconds shot mark for the crossing. Long inbound. Lumandag. Toledo. Rebound on Takmo. Holding his second defensive rebound. 1 minute 35 seconds. Cuateco, Takmo, running drive. Banyaga, 1 minute 30.
Hindi naman ako.
Lumandag. Lumandag. the crossing. 1 minute 20. Guerrero. Watego. Long 2 points natin. Ulit Manalip loses William. There is a loose ball foul there. Number 7 man. Foul. Takmo. First foul on Takmo. And the first team foul. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. 11-2. 1 minute and 5. And ball. Toledo. Big ball. 3-point shot. Complete. 55 seconds. 50 seconds remaining. 45, 50 seconds to shoot. Carroll. Guerrero. Left point open for Alligator. 45 seconds. Good down there by Gross. Starting the pass break play for the crossing. 3-5, 35 seconds.
Ayan, basta yung ba?
Big ball. Short jumper. Big ball, number 20. Boys 2 points. 25 seconds. A second differential between the time and the shot clock. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay, that's it for our first period action. 11-2 on our scoreboard. 11-4 rather. Let's go away. Good evening, Mr. Pontecha. Good evening, sir. Ayan po, si Mr. Pontecha. Lalaban po ng nagawad dyan. A lot of celebrities here in SB Covered Court. Oh, mga bata! Maglili ako, bakit? Maglili kayo.
Uy, paano? Kanino pa yan? Ba't naka-Gotex? Kanino pa yung naka-Gotex na yun? Ba't naka-Gotex? Mambra ka. Gotex sa kanuana. Uy, yung paano ah?
Okay, welcome back to our second period action brought to you by the Barangay and the SK Council. Cortego, Guerrero, Cruz, Guerrero, Cortego now, from the wheel out, will be stopping, pinball, almost losing it. They are still in the backcourt. Lumandan, Sandstone, he gave it to Toledo, Lumanlante, oh, again, Lumanlante, Abutas, Lumanlante, in the meantime, out of line there, Valdonista, Guerrero, chance points there in the red Toledo missing it again. On the 3 points area. Cortego. Partido. Good shot foul on Partido. Short shot. Pass break in. Another miss there by Toledo. Isala yung score. Lula, isala mo yan. Cortego. Still by the ball, pass break, around pick, yes! Pass it counter on Rojo. Arojo getting his first 2 points on the shaded area. Last throw, ball shot is good. Number 7. Involved players. Well, si Monching pa na yun. Si Palmaria. May private nurse. Noong na-opera lang ng appendix. In the meantime, Partido is still there. Already getting Partido there. On his left drive. Almost. Palmaria. Hang on. Singing him for the first time together with Palmaria and Corpus. Arojo, left by Pablo Pablo, reach out. Oh, lost it. There's a still. Here comes Arojo. He gave it to Corpus. Corpus. There is a tiny bonus. Yes, good goal. Blocking foul. On the first man. Foul. Bautista. First foul on Bautista. And the second big foul, baseline throwing.
Sabi na, the end of the sport.
57, Mr. John. 7 yan, 7. 7 ang score. Yan. Tapos, ipakita nyo ang score, ipakita nyo. 46 Sientra, Arojos, Philbrick, this side. Referee blows his whistle there. There's a losable foul. Foul Palmaria. First foul on Palmaria. 5 minutes exactly. 5 minutes. Guerrero against Corpus. Cruz. Good. He gave it to Partido. Left pass inside. Tap out. 10 seconds to shoot for the Tamaraos. Partido, balik kay Guerrero, balik kay Partido, wala! Tumama yan, Partido inside, wala naman! And the last pass there, Nemo, slippery hands. It's a good break for the Tamaraos. The possession will stay on their backyard, Cruz. The shot can still, Arojo, first up behind, last pass on the Tamaraos.
Pali mo, mag-camera ko pala yung busit.
Good dasal. Toledo. Banyaga babalik. Para dominahin niya ang Port. Arojo from the way out. Bang! Empoli on the rebound. Here comes Conteco. Good disappear. Rebound Banyaga. Jaimo, Arojo. Palmaria. No! Buti na lang. Sino? Guerrero will be replaced by Fernandez. 15-7. It's a low scoring ball game with 4 minutes exactly. 4 minutes. Arojo. They gave it to Corpus. Corpus. Nawala ang bola ni Corpus. Cruz. Kay Fernandez. Scramble pa talaga. Fernandez. Rebound ni Banyaga. Napakalaki ng guardia ni Bandong. Jaimo. Wala. Rebound ni Toledo. Partido rather. Cruz. Binigay kay Conteco. Merong pito tayo. Foul ang itatawag. And number 29, Paul Jaimo. Timeout, Tamaraos. 3 minutes and 22 seconds. 15-7. Hindi pa rin nagbabago ang ating score. 15-7 para sa Tamaraos. Nakikita ko rin dito sa camera si Apong Ernest. At reviewing Bangirnes. Ayun po, kaya Bangirnes. Another basketball aficionados. Nakikita ko rin si Nenya Pabiola. Ayun po, si Nenya Pabiola. Palaging wala sa bahay yan. Yan. First shot's good on Moteco. Second and last throw. Oh, split. Nandun din si pare ko Jan, no? Nanonood na ng basketball si Jan. Hinahanap na niya ng Juliet yan. Kaya! 3 points! Hey man, that was your basketball, man. It's straight. Okay. Another still. Kaimo Page. Pasa kay Arojo. Nandun si Montino. Arojo. Kaimo Page. Service back. Pass back. Bandino. There's a foul there. On player number 8. Foul. Arojo. First foul of Arojo. Last 2 minutes. 3 minutes rather. Montino wala. 2 minutes 50. Meron dito sa ilalim. Foul na naman. Number 17. Domingo. First foul. And the third foul. 2 minutes 45. Tempo is blocked by Domingo. Ay, 16-10. John, bumaba ka ng konti yun. Oh, bumaba ka, hindi nakikita. Yan. 16-10. 16-10. Ayun na lang. Lamang ng Tamaros. Cheche. Operate inside foul by Bautista. Ilan na si Bautista? Second foul. Entering penalty na ang Tamaros. Inbound ngayon, bounce pass, Banyaga, outside to Carlo, Luis. Big basket again for Carlo. Cut down the lead to just 3 points, 16-13, with 2 minutes and 20 seconds in this first half of play. Domingo, outside to Moteco. Moteco, naghanap ng putasin, siya na lang, wala. Good passing on tackles there for the crossing whistle. In front of Arojo, will pass it to Kaimo. Pero distance sa line. Violation yan. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And then second period action. What the next ball game is being displayed by these two squads, the crossing and the Tamaros. 40 seconds to shoot. Fernandez, Cortejo, balik kay Fernandez. Inside, oh yeah, going for it. And still, Cheche, binigay kay Arojo. Behind of the air, and a foul acknowledged by number 15. Foul Partido. Number 22. Number 2, Palmario. Partido. Penalty. Second foul on Partido, and in the meantime, number 8, Arojo, missing his first shot with only a minute and 25 seconds. In the second period action, last throws, too much strong, but Arojo recovered. Binigay kay number 28, Tim Ball losing in the ball. Here comes Mighty Mike. Hernandez, Guerrero. Foul! 1-20. Naka-score din ang Tamaros. After a long time, 1 minute and 10, 18 to 13, Jaimo Mendez, and the ball goes out for the Tamaros with only 1 minute, 7 seconds, 18-13. Last 1 minute. Guateco. Acrobatic shot, wala. Guerrero, count, wala. 45 seconds, so last as possible this time will break there para sa crossing. With only 45 seconds, 45. Best of Towin. 40 seconds. 35 seconds, 15 seconds shot clock. Jaimo. 10 seconds to shoot. Arroyo, balik kay Guerrero, nice to land. 25 seconds away. Hernandez, Guerrero, meron dito, pushing foul. Number 7, foul the ball. Second foul, entering pa lang. Entering penalty, 18 seconds. 1-8, wala na po tayong shot clock. 18 seconds na lang. Hernandez. 15 seconds.
Personal foul.
10 seconds left. Guateco. 5 seconds remaining.
Headshot.
2 seconds.
Nakatira ng bata.
2 seconds remaining. 2 seconds na lang yan. Okay, that's it. Yan po nagtatapos ang ating magandang aksyon dito sa ating hardcore